How to fix Windows Update error 0x800f0831. 1. Run the Windows Update troubleshooter. 2. Run System File Checker and DISM command tool as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-health-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health 3. Perform a clean boot. Or, update your system in Windows Clean Boot. 4. Reset Windows Update components. 5. Check your internet. 6. Manually install the updates by accessing Microsoft's Update Catalog. 7. Temporarily disable your antivirus program. 8. Disable the proxy or VPN server. 9. Learn more at https:// learn.microsoft.com/id-id-troubleshoot/mem/configmgr/update-0x800f0831-installing-update. Error 0x800f0831 when you install an update.